Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Threads. So this is the ultimate tutorial of how you can use this app, how you can log into this app, create an account, how you can make your first thread, and how this app works. So basically this is very easy. I'll show you everything. You need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important things about this app. So first of all, we will start with the creation of an account in Threads. To do this, we need to have an Instagram account. So download the Instagram, go to the Instagram and create your account. As you can see, I created my new account on Instagram and my Threads account will be automatically linked to this account. So now as we created our Instagram account, we can close the Instagram and open Threads. As you can see, Threads automatically detects the Instagram accounts that we have on this device. I have two accounts, so I will choose the account that I just created on Instagram. This is the first one. And it automatically redirects me to the Threads account. So basically I have blank Instagram account and as well I have blank Threads account. So let's start with our profile. As you can see, I clicked on my profile picture in the bottom right corner, and here how my profile look like. Now let's customize it. Here are some buttons in the top side of the screen. For example, edit profile and share profile. Let's click on the edit profile first. This is basically how we can edit our profile. Our name is linked to our Instagram account. So if we want to change the name on the Threads, we will need to go to the Instagram and change the name on the Instagram. So it will automatically be changed on the Threads. Here in the bio block, we can add our bio. So click on the bio and add some bio if you want, and click done in the top right corner. There are some interests. If you want, you can add some interest for you. So for example, click on the interests and click on the plus button and start searching for your interests. For example, snowboarding. If you are interested in snowboarding, you can type here snowboarding and click on the first one and click done in the top right corner when you are done adding your interests. Now you can add some links. For example, links to your profiles on different social media. So you can click on the add link and paste your URL here and give it a title. So for example, my X account. But I don't have an X account, so I will just miss this step. Now you can also add some podcasts. So if you have your podcasts on Spotify, Apple, etc., you can add them as well, pasting URL here. And of course you can show that your profile is verified, but it costs some money as on Instagram. And you can turn on or turn off show Instagram badge. So if you don't want to people to see that you have an Instagram, you can just turn it off, or I will just leave it like that. And of course, the last option is profile privacy. You can make your profile private if you don't want your threads to be promoted by algorithms, so other people will see it. So if you don't want other people to see your threads, and if you want to only your followers see your threads, you can make your profile private, but I will make my profile public and leave it like that. So click done in the top right corner when you are done customizing your profile. So of course, by clicking in the top right corner on your icon, you can add the profile picture. So I can import it from Instagram if I want, or I can choose it from my library. So click on the choose from library, and it will automatically open your library and you can choose the photo from your gallery. So I will go with this one, for example. Click on the choose in the bottom right corner, and it will automatically load a profile picture for us. So this is not everything. As you can see, here are some important buttons in the top right corner: search, or Instagram, or two lines. So let's start with the two lines. Click on the two lines, and here are some settings of Threads. You can click on the first one, and this button is about inviting your friends to the Threads. So for example, you can invite them via contacts, WhatsApp messages, etc. So this button is just about inviting people to your Threads. Now go to the notifications. And here you can manage the notifications for this application. You can pause all notifications by clicking on the first button right here, pause all. For example, you can choose the time range. For example, I don't want to have notifications from these applications for 2 hours, so I'll just set it 2 hours, so that's it. Now you can check different topics right here, for example, threads and replies. If you don't want to have notifications from replies on your threads, you can just turn it off. For example, if you don't want to have some notifications about likes on your threads, turn it off, etc. You can check and customize it by your needs. Go back, and basically every single topic here is just by your preferences, so check it by yourself and you will be fine. Now go back, and basically other options, saved or liked, is about saved or liked posts that you liked or saved from different people. So for example, if someone make a thread, you can like it and all the liked posts will be located here. You can find them right here. Archive is about archived threads that you made. So you can make a thread and you can archive it by clicking the specific button, and all archived threads will be here. I will show you later. So now about privacy, click on the privacy, and here basically you can manage the privacy settings as well. You can check it by yourself. So basically every single button here, every single option is just by your needs. You can check it, you need to check it by yourself. So for example, messages, if you don't want anyone to message you, you can set it to only people that you follow. So only people that you follow will be able to send you messages. Now go back. And now let's go to the content preferences. This is the important option. So I will suggest you to firstly look on the sensitive content. So if you don't want to see any sensitive content on the application, you need to choose less here and then confirm in the bottom side of the screen. Or if you want more sensitive content, you can click on the more, but I will go with the standard. Now you need to go back and check, for example, political content as well. Click on the political content, and if you don't want to see any political content on the application, you need to turn this off. I will turn this off because I don't want to see any political content on this application. Now go back, and basically every single option here is about your preferences as well. You need to click it by yourself and check. Now I can go back, and here are basically some other options. So for example, the statistics option in the top left corner is about your threads. So if you click on it, you can see how many people saw your threads, how many, what gender are looking for your threads, or for example, etc. So basically any information about your threads will be here. Now go back, and let's make our first thread. To do this, we can simply click on the create thread right here, or we can click on the big plus sign in the bottom side of the screen in the middle. So now let's start a new thread. For example, hello, I am new here. Something like that. You can attach some photos by clicking on the photos button just above, just under the thread where you created your thread. You can choose the photo. For example, I will go with this photo. Click on the tick button in the top right corner to confirm. You can of course delete the photo if you don't like. You can add some GIFs, clicking on the GIF. So the GIFs are on the Giphy site, so you can just search for them if you like some GIFs. Here are some other text attachments if you want, so you can check everything here. If you click on the three dots here, you can add some poll or location to your thread, but basically you can just leave it like that and post the thread. Of course, you need to check the options first here. So options are about who will see the thread. I will set it to anyone, so anyone on the Threads application will see my thread. You can set it to your followers or profiles you follow, etc. I will go with anyone. So you can turn the ghost post. So ghost post will be only available for 24 hours and then be archived, but I want to make a permanent post, so I will turn this off. Then just simply click on the post. And as you can see, that is how we created our first thread. So basically this thread can be discovered by anyone on the application, and they can comment and like and repost, etc. So let's move to the different section here in the bottom side of the screen. Let's click on the like button. So basically here you will see all the activity on the application. So for example, if somebody follows you, you will see it here. If somebody liked something, you will see here, like your thread. Comments on your threads, you will see here, mentions, etc. Here, by scrolling this slider, you can check, for example, if you want to see only mentions, you can choose here mentions, or only likes or reposts, you can see only reposts. But basically this option is only for activity. Now if we click on the message button in the bottom side of the screen, we can see the messages. So you can message people, people can message you, and you will see the chats here. And you can chat with people on the threads. Of course, messages from unknown people to you that are not following your account will be on the requests folder right here, because they are automatically moved to this folder. So you can check the request folder if anyone messaged you something or not. Now in the home button in the bottom left corner, you can check other people's threads. So you can scroll and check if you like the thread or not. For example, if I like this thread, I can like it. I can go to the comments and comment something about this thread. So for example, I can just comment cool and send it. So this guy will see my comment and he can react. I can go to his profile if I'm interested in his profile. As you can see, I can follow the profile clicking on the follow button, or I can message the profile. As you can see, I can't message this guy because he disabled the message option in the privacy settings. But if I will go back and find any other profile, for example this one, I can message. As you can see, I can message the Elizabeths clicking on the message button right here. So now if you go back, so some strange guys are in my feed. If you go back and go to your profile once again, refresh it and check your thread, you can click on the three dots next to your thread to manage it. As you can see, you can edit your thread. You have only 15 minutes to edit your thread. If you are late, you can't edit your thread anymore. You can copy the link to your thread to share it on other social media. For example, send it to your friends. You can save it. For example, we can save this thread. And all saved threads, as you know, you can find in the saved folder, clicking on the two lines in the top right corner and go to the saved. And here will be all saved threads. Now go back, click on the three dots once again, and here are some more options. You can pin this thread in your profile, so this thread will be above all the threads that you created. Now click on the three dots once again. You can archive the thread. So archiving the thread means it will be deleted from your profile and no one will be able to see this thread, but you can still find it in the archived list of the threads that you have in the two lines button. Let's archive the thread lately. You can also hide like and share counts if you don't want anyone to see how many likes the thread has. You can click on this button, or you can go to the reply options and check it, so who can reply, etc. Now go back, and of course the last option is to delete the thread completely. You can click it, but I will just simply archive this thread to show you where the archived threads are located. So click on the two lines as well and go to the saved. And here will be the archive. Click on the archive and here will be our archived posts. Now go back, and as you can see as well, you have in your profile some sections. For example, replies. As you can see, we replied to this guy and here is our reply. Here are some more sections here. For example, media and reposts. All of them will be displayed right here. And of course, you can share your profile by clicking on the share button right here. Here is the QR code for my account. You can download it, scan, etc. You can just copy link or click on share and share it in different social media. And the last thing I'll show you on the threads is a little thought button just near our profile picture. If you click on it, you can share a thought with your followers. It will be only available for 24 hours, but if you just disable this button, it will be like a new thread, like a default thread. But to make a thought, we need to enable this ghost mode. And for example, you can type something like that: how are you? Click on the post, and your thought will be displayed near your profile picture. And that is basically how threads work, how you can use threads, and that's it. Now you know everything. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.